Hey, our phone overheated a little bit, so where we stopped at, I was pulling the nails. I've pulled the nails from these three right here, these four. Now I'm going up to the next layer so we can get that second top nail out. Alright, I have our damaged shingle out. We're putting our new shingle in now. Using 1.25 inch nails just like was in it. So I'm going to just raise these up just high enough where I can get this nail and be able to hit in straight. Had 4 nails in them before, so I'm going to put the same. Just to make sure it's compatible as possible. We have replaced the shingles. I'm going to show you over the top view here. So here's the shingle that we replaced. Right on here you can see that we have a crease that's forming with the granules coming out of this tab. Same across here on this tab. Right through here, broke. All the granules are coming out on that one. Right through here, across that one. All the way across through here on this one, with just barely touching. All the granules are falling out. This one appears to just have very light granule loss on it, no break on it. The granules are staying in pretty well on that one. This one the same. Got a little bit of a crease right here. Granules falling out, and a little bit on this side. So with this one shingle that we replaced here, we had 1, 2, 3, 4 tabs, so that's 2 shingles. 2 tabs right here broke, so that's 3 shingles that were damaged doing this repair. Also, when saying that, when we were doing this, we do have mat transfer on it. So these shingles are no longer gonna stick down like they were supposed to because they didn't come up clean. Right there, that whole mat transfer, that's never gonna stick again like it's supposed to. We'll get this turned into you guys for evaluation. Thank you.